In this video, I'll show you how to edit your listing on Facebook Marketplace step by step so you can easily update your items and make them more appealing to buyers. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to Marketplace. This is the section of Facebook where you can buy and sell items with other users. Once you're on the Marketplace homepage, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the option that says Your Listings. Click on Your Listings, and you'll see all the items you've listed for sale. Think of this as your personal online storefront. It's where you can manage, update, or remove your items whenever needed. Now, scroll through your listings to find the one you want to edit. Maybe you want to lower the price, update the description, or add clearer photos to attract more buyers. Once you've found it, hover over that specific listing and click on the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu. From there, select Edit Listing. This will open the editing screen where you can make all the necessary updates without creating a brand new listing. Here's what you can change. You can edit the title to make it more specific and attention-grabbing, or update the price if you want to stay competitive with similar listings. In the description box, you can add or adjust details about your item. The more accurate and informative your description is, the more confident buyers will feel. You can also replace or upload new photos here. Try to use bright, clear, high-quality images that show your product from different angles. This makes your listing stand out. While you're editing, double-check that your item is listed in the correct category so it reaches the right audience. Also, review your location and delivery options, especially if you're offering local pickup or shipping. Clear delivery info helps set the right expectations for buyers. Once everything looks good, click Save or Publish at the bottom of the page. Choosing Save will update your listing quietly, while Publish can make it more visible again, like putting a refreshed product back on the shelf. And that's it. You've successfully edited your listing on Facebook Marketplace. By keeping your listings updated, whether it's improving photos, adjusting prices, or refining details, you can attract more potential buyers and boost your chances of making a sale.